Still got a hole in the backside, but that's what I got so far. Bondo to get it perfect, but I'm not even sure I'm gonna do that. I think it is time to tackle some of this rust repair. I wasn't supposed to get into this, or I wasn't going to get into the rust repair, but I'm here. Be good to practice anyway, so I'm gonna try to do this in a timely fashion and try my hand at it. This is the driver's side cab corner. As far as how much you got here, well below the curve. Got my patch panel. And then the rocker's got some towards the front that I'm gonna try to get. And then one little piece here, one little piece here. Passenger side looks much better. I've just got, the whole rocker looks fine. Got this one spot on the back of the corner, right near the rocker. So I'm gonna try to just get that small piece there. Let's try some rust repair. Gotta have them safety glasses on. Don't want to lose an eye. It's something I never wore when I was a kid, but man, now I feel weird not wearing them. All clean. Now I'm not catching it, but at least I'm stopping it from falling off the lip. Alright guys, I think that was a good start. I'll take you off there and show you what I got. First time cutting into this. It's not as bad as I thought. The inside's okay. Got a few pieces in here. Trying to keep as much factory metal as possible. Might be the right or wrong way to do it, but that's how I'm doing it. Came across, cut in the back. Try to keep it somewhat reasonable. I'm gonna try to keep this lip as well, because up underneath of this on the back side is actually, it's in good shape because it's all welded closed right there. So again, right or wrong, that's how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna keep this lip and just make this patch out of the cab corner I've got here. And then I got this rocker, and the rocker goes pretty far up from my patch panel, goes all the way up to the fender bolt, with the fender bolts on. So I might bring this further. I'm not sure. I kind of have it this in the way right now, so I won't be able to tell. But this is pretty rough back here. Still got a hole in the backside, but I gotta call it somewhere. Otherwise, this is gonna turn into a full restoration, and that's not what this project was about. I can always come back in here and replace it. I'll just have to see how it does. I might still put a panel back here just to kind of keep the weather out, but for now, this is what I'm going to replace. So I'm going to treat this stuff while I'm getting ready to go inside and have dinner. That way it can treat overnight. When I get back out here tomorrow after work, I can slap some paint on it and start trimming the new panels. That ain't gonna work anymore. Well, my phone died, or not my phone, my camera died, so I'm recording on my phone. As far as I got tonight, Got the patches painted on the inside, and I started making this panel. Ended up taking more than I originally thought because it was a little rotten up there, and I figured I had it, might as well. It's not completely fitted yet, but I am working on it. That's what I got so far. We'll see how well I get it fitted and weld it up. And then I was being an idiot and thought it had a little bit of a bend, so put my hand right there and tried to bend it back and put a kink in the panel. Yep, that was an idiot move. But hey, it'll add to the character. I don't want it perfect anyway, right? Anyways, got this side as well ready. So put a bunch of paint on it. I gotta redo this anyway, so I wasn't worried about getting a little overspray on it. That's it for the night. Late dinner this evening. Been a rough couple of days, but I'm getting it. Man, I'm doing a terrible job of bringing my camera out here, but I'm just trying to focus on some of the work. I had a buddy stop by after work, Bill. Had a good time. But this is what I got so far. Got that cap corner on. Had a little bit of a blow through spot on that top piece, but it's coming along. It's definitely a learning process, but hopefully I can make it look pretty decent. Starting to get some new metal on the truck, little by little. It's the first time I've really done a cab corners, really, for sure, but some metal working like this. Did once before, but it was kind of small stuff. This is a art form, that's for sure. It's a lot to learn, but I've had a good time learning it. It's not perfect. I got a little bit of a low spot there, you can see in the weld, but it's been fun. Gotta finish welding this one up and then start on the larger patch up front. Over on the passenger side of the truck, I got one little spot, so hopefully that one will go well. That one will probably cause me the most problems, if anything is normal. I've been using some cab corners that I ordered and some old parts of the original truck that came on this frame. So this is off that green truck from the very beginning. If you haven't seen it, go watch that video. But some of the old original green truck is making its way back onto this truck because that metal's still in good shape. It's not bad. Well, oh, felt like I'm just forever, but made some progress. Got the rocker on the front and a little center rocker piece. Of course, the cab corner. This side, I wouldn't go as far as to say it's rust free, but she's in a lot better shape than it was when I opened it up. So that's cool. I got this whole side done, and it's gonna take a real light skim of Bondo to get it perfect, but I'm not even sure I'm gonna do that because I'm gonna be patinaing this truck to match, or I'm gonna try to match so that you don't even know that it's been rust repaired. So we'll see how that part goes. I know on this one I had a low spot. This is where I started and just really messed it up, but it's not terrible, but I might have to put a little bit of Bondo in that spot and then start the patina process, but that can be after I get it back on the truck. So tomorrow morning, it's Friday night, tomorrow morning I can knock that one out first thing and probably put some primer on this stuff, primer sealer. Shoot, I'm hoping this weekend I might have this cab. I probably shouldn't say it, but I'm hoping this weekend I might have this cab actually back on the truck. And if for some reason, and a miracle, well, I hope y'all been able to see everything because that lens is filthy. If not, sorry. But hopefully this weekend, maybe Sunday, wishful thinking would be to fire this thing up under its own power, but yeah, probably not. We'll see though. At least I should have the cab sitting on the truck this weekend. That'd be a goal I could probably accomplish. All right. See you Saturday morning. Peace out.